Okay, pupils, we are on this Get Smart Plus workbook. We are on page 3 now. So unit 1, activity 1, read and match. So number 1, already given example, 50 dolls. So you draw a line to 50 and then draw a line to a doll. And number 2, 30. So we have this one here, 30 yo-yos. So just draw a line to D. And then number 3, 60 jigsaw puzzles. So we have this one. So this is a jigsaw puzzles. So link to E. And then number 4, 100 teddy bears. So number 4, 100, and then a teddy bear. So next number 5, 20. So 20, and then we have this board game. So here, so F. So maybe you can cross the line here. So this is board games. And then we have the last one, 80. So 80 shells. So here. So when you go to pitch, maybe you saw this one before. And next we go to activity 2. Activity 2. So I maximize it a bit. Look and write. Haven't got or hasn't got. So when you have this she or he, so you use has, and then they, you use have. So this is very straightforward answer. So she hasn't got yo-yos. And number 2, he hasn't got teddy bears. Okay, when you take a look at these pictures here, so this is correspondent to this statement. So she doesn't have any yo-yos. And number 3, they haven't got dolls. Number 4, he hasn't got shells. So he. And then the last one, number 5, she hasn't got jigsaw puzzles. Next, we move on to activity 3. Look at activity 2 and match. So has he got 2 teddy bears? So when you take a look at this boy here, so has he got 2 teddy bears? So the answer is no, he hasn't. So link to C. And then we have number 2, have they got board games? They meaning both of them. So number 2, so board games. So we have this one, black and white here. Here also we have this board game. So have they got board games? So the answer is yes. So yes, they have. And number 3, has she got shells? So she got shells. So the answer is yes, she has. So when you take a look at these shells here. And number 4, has he got 3 yo-yos? So 3. So if you count carefully, we have 1, 2, and 3. So these are 3 yo-yos. So has he got? So the answer is yes. So yes, he has. And number 5, have they got bikes? So we when you take a look at these pictures, they don't have bytes. So we just say no, they haven't. So that's it for this page. So we are on this year 3 Get Smart Plus workbook on page 3. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link you can click in. You can join my Tekken board for free.